खाली नाही. It is a racket. कल्चर ना नाही वाय आणि 5 कोटी रुपयामुळे yeah but now they have said no. Now they have revived that proposal. You are saying you rejected but now they have revived it. होलसेलला हा थर्मोकॉइल आणि होलसेलला हा नुसते नाही आणि थर्मोकॉइल चालणार नुसते चालणार तर ते प्लांट कित्याक आणि एक प्लांट कित्याक ऑलरेडी आम्ही आमच्या काउन्सिलर आम्ही नाका म्हणले दोन वेपारले मागीर पिटी एक आणले कॉन्सिडर 15 टन युआय काडटा न्ही अरे ते काडटा कितें काडटा पण वाय दीस थिंग्स आर बीइंग गिवन टू बी नॉट वर्किंग अब तो हांगा हॉटेल वाला हस्बैंड ले जाओ तो बताओ क्या कैसा बास आता है क्या आता है जैसे हम लोग आए फुल स्मेल आता है इधर कोई आने जाने वाला नहीं है इधर फिलहाल थोड़ा थोड़ा सा कम अभी 30% में आ गए तो हो गया ना इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हो गया थोड़ा बिजनेस अभी 100% नहीं टैंकर तो अभी फिलहाल तो ये आए नहीं गवर्नमेंट टू गवर्नमेंट PWD तुमचे घ्यायला that government is to look at no PWD is not taking where it is being discharged where is it discharged शेतान घालतात what say today I think I read in your paper you have written a big article about it. Through your article I have learned a few things so maybe credit to you but let him do a study. Let Pollution Control Board do a study. We will take it up in right earnest. After that, if required, I will call PWD also. And we will try and find a solution. Because as you rightly say, where is the slurry going today? So we will take it up. You have a commitment that we will take it up seriously. No, so that is why they are going to issue a ऑडिट कर कित्याक हायकोर्टाक ऑडिट मुखार ना जाल्यार ते कितें करतले तर तुजे गळ्याक तुजे खातीर तें बंद जालां तुवें सांगलां बंद जालां बंद ऑल्टो आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी वील टेक दॅट डिफेन्स ती दिवनाच जाता section 5 no that the high court tells it no shut it down with section 5 no government employee is within this section 9 Russia Munda, I understood your thing, but in the High Court, what they will say? No. That this we have shut because at every at 5 tons is being treated here. If it is shut down, where it is? If I may tell you, I was told yesterday that this plant is working perfectly. Now don't make me talk. So where is the slurry going there? Slurry, forget. If you look at the plant now, it is not functioning only. It's no plant. So my request to all of you all, give us a not good. I don't know. Yeah, because gold waste is not he is not running the engine. He is not able to pressure to run the engine for day generating electricity. No, we have come, listen, excuse me. We have come to see this plant. Now you don't take us on inspection of the fish market. Number 1. Number 2, I thank you all for bringing it to our notice, and we will do our best to see that we alleviate all of your problems. Okay, done. Bite zero. My colleague, Mr. Vijay Sardesai, and his supporters brought it to my notice yesterday that there was a lot of smell coming here and foul smell coming. So I decided that we will visit the place today. I requested officers from Pollution Control Board to accompany me. They feel there is something wrong. What is wrong, we are still not sure because we have just come. So they will conduct a thorough inspection. They will proceed under the Act, and it will be our endeavour to see that this plant starts working at the shortest period. Rest assured, we will ensure that this plant starts working as per the requirements. It
won't be just a namesake visit. And after I've left from here, forgotten for the next few months. We will take whatever. We will ensure that it is.
Will any audit be conducted?
Yes. Whatever has to be done will be done. And if required, we will take action against officers also who are connected with it.
आमकां हो जो आज प्लांट चलता तो आतां दिसता तो फक्त खोको प्लांट जेन्ना चलताले तेन्ना घाण मारताली आनी लोकांचो धंदो बी हांगा काबार जाता आनी इट इज पोल्युशन अशें आसतना आनी एक प्लांट विकतो घेवपाक सरकारान चिंतला कित्या खातीर तें कळना आयदर हाजो थर्मोकॉयलूय ट्रीट जायना हातून आनी फीश वेस्टूय जायना आनी होलसेल फीश मार्केटांनी आनी एक प्लांट हाडप कोणाक हे हफ्तो मेळटा हे प्लांट हाडपाक तो म्हाका दिसता ताजेर सारकी इन्क्वायरी जावंक जाय कित्याक हाचे पयलीं कावन्सिलान म्हणिल्लें आहा की आमकां हे प्लांट नाकाच म्हणून आनी हे प्लांट चलत ना इन एनी केस दीस इज अ शेम आनी आतां हायकोर्टाचें प्रोटेक्शन घेवन की आमी बंद केलें अशें जावंक जायना तें ताका रिऑडीट मंत्री म्हणटा ते भशेन रिऑडीट जातलो आनी ताजेर कोण एक्शन घेवंक जाय ती एक्शन घेवंक जाय कोणाचें नेग्लिजन्स आहा तें पूण नवीं प्लांटां असलीं आनी सरकारा कडच्यान आमकां नाकाच कित्याक हे प्लांट चलना ते आनी एक प्लांट ऑर्डर करून कितें फायदो आहा तुजो आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड दीस एट ऑल पयर आमचो श्री कृष्ण विजयोत्सव थंय म्हळ्यार थंय घाण सारकी म्हळ्यार एंटायर प्लेस इज स्टिंकींग एंड दॅट स्टिंक हॅज स्टार्टेड ओनली आफ्टर दिगंबर कामत कावन्सील हॅज कम टू पावर दॅट इज ऑल हें तरी आमकां दिश्टी पडटा आमच्या वेळार केन्नाच नाशिल्लें पावर जनरेट जाता 3 कोटी रुपया जोडपाचे आसले म्हणून खंय गेले 3 कोटी बिटी 3 कोटी नाच कांय खंयचो फुटी दमडी मेळूंक ना आनी उलयतात खबऱ्यो खबर आनी प्लांटां घेवपाक चिंततात हे पयले स्कॅम जाता तें आसा थंय आहा दुसरें एक नवें करूंक तयारी फुडें केल्या म्हाका दिसना असलें आनी जायना आनी वी एक्सपेक्ट द मिनिस्टर टू बी ट्रू टू हिज वर्ड एंड टेक दीस इट्स लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन चलो थँक यू
concentration is high, that's why they stop it.
So that means your plant is not working properly. You must have had certain specifications laid down when you plan the plant. So if they are saying that your concentration is high, that means your plant, there's something wrong with your plant. So after they stop that, what are you doing? No, after they stop accepting your slurry, where were you dumping the slurry?
From that day it is stopped.
So what is happening now? Where is all the garbage? Where is all the rubbish going? Plant is stopped.
Yeah, garbage is going to Saligam and Kapura.
So why do we require that now?
No, we are taking it now.
Why do we require it? Do we have a solution?
We have called that person last week.
So what is the spirit in giving the contract to a person from Pune? No, that is typical government of the free football. Where is the chief officer? He was supposed to come today. We'll have to take him very important.
तो कैसा लगा? वो ऑलरेडी तो मैं ऑलरेडी स्टॉप कर दिया। 11 वर्ष बंद करा। वेरी गुड। बाकी क्या करें नहीं करते। बस